Hello everyone! I wish all of you a very good morning. A very good morning. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy and you are here to learn with me. Are you ready for the fun classes? Yes, so I want you all to be active, energetic and do the actions with me, okay? So that Miss can also learn from you. Okay, we will learn from each other. Are you ready? Can you be more active today? Yes, let's give our best. Those who have been attending my class from the previous letter A, now you must be thinking what letter will be the letter after the letter C. What is the letter after C? The letter after C is the letter D. And here what we are learning. Some few words and also the sounds and some actions and some sign language. Some simple sign language. We all enjoy doing it together. Are you ready? Yes. So I want all of you to pay attention and try to grab everything that you see from here so that we can enjoy learning it from each other. Okay? Yes, so let's start. The first song I want to sing, the song for the letter D, which is the sound D. The sound of letter D is D. Okay, so now the lyrics will be given here. I want all of you to listen carefully and look beside here and learn the lyrics with me. Okay, we will all read it together. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun. With a D sound will come, okay? D, 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 da, 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 da. And then you have to see me play upon my drums. Are you ready to play drums with me? Can we pretend that a drum is just in front of us and we are having drumsticks on our hands and we will play drums. Are you ready? Yes, so let's start. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun. With a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Was it nice? Are you familiar with the tune? If not, no issues, okay? I want all of you to do it a little bit more faster, okay? And at the end, we will do more faster. Let's enjoy. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Let me see who can play the best drums over here. Okay, are you ready? Yes. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Faster. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Shall we do it a little bit more faster? Let's do it. Are you ready? Come on. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Okay, I want you to sing faster and learn it more so that we can enjoy, have fun learning it together. Let's do it the last time. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Very good. So here the drum, D-R-U-M, starts with the letter D. Starts with the letter D. And the sound is D. I want you to practice more so that we can make it more clear. We should not forget it, okay? We have to revise all the alphabet sounds once more at the end when we finish the 26 alphabets. So now I want you all to be energetic and learn all the sounds and keep it in mind. So what is the sound of the letter D? The sound of the letter D is D. D. Very good. So, as I have told you, if you have been joining my previous classes from the letter A, now you must be knowing what song or which tune, what kind of song are we going to sing? Yes, so let's start. Can you make the letter sound? Can you show me how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital D. This is the lowercase d. You know how the D looks now. Let's make the letter D sound. D, 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 d. Your turn. D, 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 d. Very good. One more time. D, 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 d. So now let's do the action together and sing. Learn some few words of the letter D with the sound D. Starting with the sound D. D is for dog. D is for dinner. D is for dinosaur. D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dancing. D is for da. You know some D words now. Let's make the letter D sound. It's your turn. Da. It's your turn. One more time. Da. Very good. So here we have learned the word dog, isn't it? The word dog, the word dinner. Dinner. Let's have our dinner in the evening, okay? Not now, because now it is morning, so we will go for lunch. Okay, the next one is dinosaur. Duck. Doctor. Dancing. Do you like dancing? I want you all to be active, okay? Yeah, I want you to do the dance more better. You have to learn dance, okay? Okay, and the D sound is D. Very good. So I want all of you to learn some sign language with me, some few simple. Here we go for the sign language. This is the letter D. The pointer finger should be up and the rest of the finger like this. The letter D. The sound of D is D. Very good. And for dog, we will tap our back. 1, 2. 1, 2. Dog. Dog. Okay, very good. And the next one will be duck. Duck. Drums. Drums. Very good. Door. 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 And dinosaur. 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 Donut. Donut. The letter D. Dolphin. Dolphin. Very good. So let's sing a song for this. The letter D. D is for dog. 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 D is for dog. Dog. D is for drums. 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 D is for door. Door. D is for dinosaur. 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 D is for donut, donut. D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. D is for D. Shall we do one more last time together? I want all of you to do it with me one more time, okay? I want all of you to pay your attention here and do the actions with me. I'm so happy that you are doing so well. So the letter D. D. The D is for dog, dog, dog. D is for dog, dog. D is for drum, drum, drum. D is for door, door. D is for dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur. D is for donut, donut. D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. D is for D. Okay, very good. I have enjoyed a lot learning with you and singing together. I hope you have enjoyed too. See you in the next class. Bye.